So hello everyone, for today's video is I'm going to cook a sinigang. Yes, a sinigang. Look at my vegetable. So ayan, pinakuluan ko na yung karne para mabilis siyang lumambot. At nilagyan ko rin siya ng gabi. I don't know if you know gabi, but yung pampalapot, tsaka kamatis and sibuyas, onions and tomatoes. Yes, I put some salt and what do you call it? Bitchin. So ito yung gulay na ilalagay ko sa aking sinigang. Kangkong, ito, sitaw at saka talong. I have here the siling, panigang, and the pampaasim. Sinigang, kasampalok with mixed daddy. Ayan. Look at the sinigang. So, lalagay ko na yung sili. Tsaka hahaluin. Malambot na yung karne guys, kaya ready nang lagyan ng mga gulay. I'm gonna put this vegetable. Diba? Looks yummy. May sinigang. Sinigang. This is so yummy guys. Ilaban ko ang dahil naman ba. Yang palit daw nasin. Hayaan ko muna siyang kumulo para maluto yung mga gulay-gulay. Tatakpan ko na lang. So, babalikan ko na lang later pag kumulo na siya. So, ayan. Luto-luto na yung gulay. It's time to put the sinigang mix. I'm gonna put this one. Sinigang mix sa sampalok with gabi. Ba't mo nabuksan? Guys, this is for breakfast. A yummy breakfast, everyone. Look at that, everyone. Ilalagay ko na yung kangkong. I'm gonna put the kangkong. Tatapan ko ulit siya para maluto yung kangkong. Kasi, yan. Pabalikan ko na lang mamaya pagluto na. So, ayan everybody, luto na ang aking sinigang. So, we're gonna eat now. That's it everyone. I wish I could give this to all of you. So, ayan everyone, luto na ang aking sinigang. So, kakain na kami.